Hey guys, I'm Wanda and this is Crazy Days. Today I'm going to show you 5 minutes of my day. I just fed all my ladies and my rooster. These are Rhode Island Reds. Isn't he pretty? Got them all fed and happy. And over here we have our Goldies and I don't know, Mr. Pretty. I know I'm talking about you, aren't I? Danny and I have already been out to his greenhouse and harvested the Awari satsumas. I've got to go to my greenhouse in a little bit and harvest green beans, yes, and yellow wax beans. They're awesome. Danny's done been out and pulled a lot of the carrots in the beds outside. He's thinned them out. Already we harvested all the Louisiana oranges off this tree this morning. Guys, in the comments below, guess how many Louisiana oranges were on this tree. I'll send somebody some free Deep South something. Not sure what yet, but we'll send something. I'll think about it if you guess right. I guessed wrong. I'm going to show you the tree before we took them all off. This is my project for this morning. We have a cold front coming through. It's going to dip down below 30 and I need to cover my green stalks. So this is the plastic that I've used for 2 winters now, and it's still in good shape. You can tell a little of it is the sun has changed the color a little bit, but a lot of it is still the dark color. None of the plastic is damaged. I have no holes in it. So 2 winters already. I take it off in the spring when it starts getting too hot and store it. So we're going to put this back on in a few minutes. And I have 2 green stalks this year in the little mini greenhouse. Now, the mini greenhouse frame is sitting on a concrete slab that Danny already had poured here for other purposes, and we just kind of incorporated it, put the mini greenhouse on it, and I started a few plants, but we have greenhouses now that I don't need this for starting plants. So the past couple of winters I've been putting the tan green stalk in it, and I had this whole tan green stalk full of seeds and plants, and the heat has just about caused everything to want to bolt. But this is the red romaine lettuce. It looks awesome, but it was trying to bolt. We've had a lot of hot weather. It's not grown like it should, but it will when I put this greenhouse over it. I have radishes that I planted, and some of those are doing okay in there. They're coming out. And of course the Malabar spinach. It's doing great. I've got 2 over here of them. They'll start growing like crazy once I put the plastic on the greenhouse. Now this whole tray here is empty. I've not put dirt in it or anything right now. I'm going to go get some more dirt. We're going to add something to the top later. That's just, I hadn't had time yet. This one I had at the cabin, and I had a lot of peppers in it. We took those out. I put strawberries, and you can see some of the strawberries are making it and doing really great. And some places are empty, and some of them are just coming back out again. And I've got this rogue tomato plant that's actually blooming, and I'm going to leave it. And I've got one rogue pepper plant right here. We're going to leave it just because I don't need peppers, but it's okay. I've got more strawberries that I can fill in the gaps in here. And I've got a tomato plant here too. Y'all, these things are amazing. They come up. I did not plant those in there, at least not recently. So the green stalks do well if you can maintain them and keep them going. Like I said, the heat was getting to this one. Even though I watered it and did what I needed to do, you see the heat was causing it to want to bolt. It hasn't bolted yet, so we're going to see if it does. If it does, I'll take the lettuce out and put fresh lettuce in it, because this is my lettuce. I don't have lettuce anywhere else. It'll only be in my green stalk. I'm trying the radishes. I'm going to fill up the top, add something, and we're going to fill in over here with more strawberries. My goal is to get the strawberries up and going before next year. So, guys, the green stalk planters, They're on sale. They're having a Black Friday sale. Check it out. I'm going to put the link in the description below. I love my green stalks because I can keep my lettuce right here at the house. I like the little mini greenhouses. This thing was about $100. Not a big deal. If you can't afford a big one, use a little one. Make it work for what you need. That's what we're all about here at Deep South Homestead. You don't have to go big. You can go small and grow some stuff and enjoy it. Okay, I've got it temporarily just kind of on there so it'll kind of smooth out. It's got a lot of wrinkles in it. I've got the door open. I've got the little windows open on the sides. It's still hot here today, but tomorrow's supposed to change. And we do this while it's hot. I'm going to try and get it kind of pulled and leveled out. And it doesn't take much, about 5 minutes to put this on. I guess maybe because I've done it so much. I've done it, this is the third, fourth time I've had to put it on. But it works. And it looks awesome. And it will keep my plants going great. So leave me a comment in the description below. How many oranges did we take off this tree? Thank you guys from Crazy Days.